discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, automatic dimming door mirrors, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call